Hello and welcome back to our channel. The Rivian R1S boasts a sleek and modern design with clean lines and a bold presence on the road. Its rugged yet refined aesthetic sets it apart from other electric subs, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Step inside the Rivian R1S and you'll be greeted by a spacious and luxurious cabin. The interior is crafted with premium materials, providing both comfort and convenience for drivers and passengers alike. Under the hood, the Rivian R1S is powered by dual electric motors, delivering impressive performance and acceleration. With a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, this SUV is perfect for both daily commutes and long road trips. In conclusion, the Rivian R1's 2022 is a game-changer in the world of electric vehicles. With its striking design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, this SUV sets a new standard for eco-friendly transportation. Small overlap front driver side rating for 2022 Rivian R1s. The overall evaluation for this exceptional vehicle, a resounding good rating. But what sets the Rivian R1s apart is its commitment to driver safety. The structure and safety cage of the Rivian R1s received a good rating, providing unparalleled protection for the driver in the event of a small overlap front collision. From the headneck to the chest, hip, thigh, and lower leg foot areas all received a good rating, showcasing the Rivian R1S's dedication to ensuring high levels of protection in these critical zones. Not stopping there, the driver restraints and dummy kinematics were also rated as good, illustrating the effectiveness of the restraint systems and the proper movement of the test dummy during the crash test. In conclusion, the 2022 Rivian R1's F-Launch Edition excels in safety and performance, setting a new standard for electric subs. Drive with confidence, drive with Rivian. Thanks for watching.